Route 681. This was my loft from 2013. I haven't flown in it since after that year. Just took down the door, taking it apart, relocating the loft where it used to be here, relocated to my place. Guess my brother managed to throw that in there. I don't know whose bird's that. But look at it now. I'm gonna do some maintenance on it, paint it. This was the old loft from 2013. I didn't have a ladder to get up there and get the screws, so I used the plywood there, the skid. Friday afternoon, just got off of work. Coop held up pretty good after so many years. Gotta have my beer and cigarettes as I'm working. I'll give you guys another look at it when I'm done. New location, new loft name. No longer gonna be three-way loft. It's gonna be TAINO Loft. Be Route 681. I'm off of this.